Indian Railways never sleep. Their journey never stops. Whether it's dawn or dusk, early mornings or midnights, Indian Railways are always ready to deliver the necessary requirements across the country. Indian Railways, the lifelines to the nation, have repeatedly showcased remarkable examples of their strength, dignity, and service to the nation. Joining the fight against COVID 19, Indian Railways have started running Train of Life or Oxygen Express. These trains have been started throughout the country for bulk transportation of liquid medical oxygen and oxygen cylinder under roll-on roll-off service. 7 empty tankers of the first train had left from Mumbai to Visakhapatnam for loading. Besides, green corridors are being created to ensure faster movement of these trains. Union Minister Piyush Goyal informed that mapping has been done to supply adequate oxygen to different states.
6,177 मेट्रिक टन 6,177 मेट्रिक टन ऑक्सीजन हमने अलग अलग राज्यों को उपलब्ध कराने का आज पूरा प्लान फाइनल कर दिया है और हर राज्य के हिसाब से इस ऑक्सीजन को अलॉट किया है जो आगे चल के महाराष्ट्र, दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान और अब तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड अलग अलग राज्यों के हिसाब से कितना कितना एक एक राज्य को किधर से जाए ये मैपिंग आज पूरी तरीके से की गई।
To gain more insights regarding Indian Railways' heartwarming initiatives, PBNS had a conversation with Divisional Railway Manager of Visakhapatnam, Chetan Kumar Srivastava.
First, empty special. Special kind of wagons in a train called DBKM train, carrying the movable trucks. We call it as a RoRo arrangement, roll over, roll on. That means the road moving vehicles can be directly loaded onto the wagon and thereafter it can be unloaded at particular or desired location again.
Since it is the first of its kind initiated by Indian Railways, special arrangements are being made. To ensure safe loading and unloading of wagons, around 75 meters of a long ramp with 6 meters of width has been constructed overnight.
7 trucks are there, each having capacity about 15 tons of liquid oxygen. We will get it at Visakhapatnam Steel Yard and we'll unload them, hand it over to steel plant. They will load liquefied oxygen and again it will be loaded back onto the same wagons and we will take it back to Mumbai wherever required.
Working in the national interest and for making every possible effort to help the nation, each and every arrangement required in the process is being carefully carried out by Indian Railways.
Since it has to go up to Mumbai to various regions, 2-3 different railways also, so we will be very closely monitoring it and providing almost a free path to this train so that it reaches in fastest possible time.
Oxygen Express is using a special kind of roll-on roll-off arrangement and it is being done for the first time in Visakhapatnam division.
RoRo kind of arrangement, it's not new to railways, though it's being done first time in Visakhapatnam division. Basically we are volunteer division on books, but we have an expertise. We know how to do it, but other railways have been doing it, especially Central Railway. They have been doing it earlier.
Even in the most difficult of times, Indian Railways have always stood by the country and has made sure that its services reach every nook and corner of the country.
When the whole country was under lockdown, the railways was moving the essential goods throughout the countries. It's food grains, medicines, milk, so many things. So we never in fact stopped even in the worst of the times. In spite of all the problems, we take care of each other and also continue to run the trains.
Indian Railways have truly lived the country's Atmanirbhar approach, as it doesn't depend on any external support to run the vast network of railways. Indian Railways are using all the indigenous latest technology required to maintain their system intact.
How technology has moved 30 years back and right now, without the adopting the latest technology in the railway, and that too indigenous, we would not have been able to run so many services today. And we have the latest WAG-12, WAG-12 locomotive. We did 12,000 horsepower locomotive has been developed recently. So many things have come. It's all because of our own efforts. This has been possible only because the faith of the people of this country also still lies in the railways, Indian Railways.
Indian Railways have always led India on the tracks of progress and prosperity. They have gone beyond being just transporters and have actively played the role of nation's lifeline. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.